Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a direct debit in the Santander app. First, open the Santander app on your phone and log in. Once you're in, select the account where your direct debit is set up. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the three dots. From the menu that appears, choose Direct Debits. Here, you'll see a full list of all the direct debits linked to that account. Tap on the direct debit you want to manage to view more details. If you want to cancel it, just tap Cancel Direct Debit. You'll be asked to review the information. Once everything looks correct, tap Cancel Direct Debit again to confirm. And that's it! Your direct debit is now canceled, and the app will show a confirmation. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.